This tiny gadget claims to offer robust, waterproof connections for your demanding projects, but does it really deliver? We're looking at the BHUPWZE M12 sensor weldless aviation connectors, specifically the 5-pin female version in this 10-piece pack. Right out of the box, you can feel the quality. These aren't flimsy plastic connectors. They have a solid, industrial feel that immediately inspires confidence. The weldless design is a neat feature, suggesting a more durable and reliable construction, which is crucial when you're dealing with sensors or aviation applications where failure just isn't an option. The IP67 waterproof rating is a big deal. This means these connectors are dust-tight and can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. For anyone building outdoor equipment, robotics, or anything exposed to the elements, this level of protection is absolutely essential. The screw lock mechanism is also a thoughtful touch. It ensures a secure connection that won't vibrate loose, which is a common problem with simpler plug-and-play connectors. We tried these out with a few different sensor setups, and the connection was consistently firm and reliable. The curved design, while subtle, can make routing cables a bit easier in tight spaces. The 5-pin configuration is versatile, allowing for power and signal transmission simultaneously. While the product description mentions various pin counts like 3, 4, 8, and 12, the specific unit we examined was the 5-pin female. The build quality feels like it could handle a lot of mating cycles without degrading, which is a good sign for longevity. The weight is minimal, just 50 grams for the pack, so they won't add unnecessary bulk to your projects. The A-type designation is important for compatibility, so make sure that matches your existing setup. Overall, these BHUPWZE M12 connectors seem like a fantastic solution for anyone needing a dependable, waterproof, and secure connection. They offer peace of mind for critical applications. For projects where a reliable, waterproof connection is paramount, these BHUPWZE M12 connectors are a solid choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.